Hi to all the creative people out there. Welcome back to Nancy Artwork. Today is a video where I have to actually share the name of my giveaway winner from the last video. Please stay tuned for the name till the end of the video. Also, today I'm going to experiment with alcohol inks. I think I'll be doing that for the first time, and I got this stationery supply from my January 1st week blog. If you have not seen that video, please check that out. The link will be somewhere here. I would like to show you what I experimented and what we are going to work upon, so that my excitement is also transferred to you. Okay, so these are the kind of textures I created. Okay, this is the first one, and this is the second one. And the third one. I think they really look very pretty, and the gold touch in this actually enhances the whole fluid art a little more. And these lines which I've achieved from additional alcohol, they really add up the more texture. And these are a couple of roses and the pattern which I thought of in getting inspired from the roses I have in the garden. And I think the colors actually popped out quite well. So yeah, let's get started and make some of the beautiful textures. Okay, the art supplies you will need today is Yupo paper. So this is the paper which is actually required to work with alcohol inks. So Yupo synthetic paper pack. So set of A4 sheets, 10 sheets cost me around rupees 400. And if you want where I got this, the link will be in the description box. This project will require alcohol inks. These are from Beyond Inks, and these are set of 10 beautiful colors. For this project I will be using alcohol ink and an super magical component, and that is my isopropyl alcohol. This is 99% pure, and I got this bottle long time back, so you will not find this in my stationery video of January. And this will help you gain these beautiful circles or bubbles. So I really like this for creating textures. In addition to that, I'll be using a spray bottle where I will put in some alcohol into it to spray and achieve some beautiful textures. Let's get started now. As this whole project is just like an experiment, so I'm using 3 of my favorite colors of tangerine, lime and hickory. Hickory is like a shade of a brown color, but I think this will be able to achieve a good combination. Now I will speed up my project and will let you enjoy the textures I have prepared using alcohol ink and isopropyl alcohol. So let's just sit back and enjoy. And if you have any questions, put that down in the comment section below. In my coming videos, if you like this, do comment me. I will prepare a detailed video of how I have achieved various textures. The sprays of isopropyl alcohol and drop of isopropyl alcohol produces beautiful textures in the colors. So this is what you can see at this point in time, and I love to play with them. So this project is basically more around experimenting how these colors react with respect to isopropyl alcohol. And stay tuned for what the results are at the end of the video. Alcohol inks are very forgiving in nature. If you don't like any of the design, like at this point in time I'm still trying to figure out the composition of the art, I tried dropping in some of the droplets of alcohol to produce different textures, and even after, if I didn't like it, I can just swipe it off with a tissue paper of alcohol, alcohol, and then my paper will be again ready to work upon for a new design. I think it was quite a successful experiment. Adding up multiple layers of color and playing it with alcohol, I think I have achieved so for something a result I'm quite satisfied with. So I'll stop over here, and that's how it looks at this point in time. I think these are all the strips which I prepared. I think they came out quite well, and I believe that January will be a lot more of experimenting with these alcohol inks and alcohol. Stay tuned for my more designs for coming days, and do comment me below what do you think about these experiments. So that was it for today's video, and without a delay now, let me announce the name of the winner who has won the handmade bookmarks created by me in December collab video. And the name is Dheeraj Pratap Singh. Congratulations, Dheeraj. And one of the honorable mention is Bhavya. Thanks for being part of my channel. Not this time, but hopefully in the coming days you can win such challenges. I'll be posting up more questions, and do comment me below if you like my work. Maybe these kind of works can be yours by answering simple questions. Thank you.